Hello everyone, welcome to Art Creation. Today's video is about easy drawing guide for beginners. These are the materials and tools we required for drawing. First of all, drawing pencils, sketchbook or drawing book. You can use any paper also, but it should be a drawing paper. Eraser, sharpener, drawing pens, blending stumps, color pencils. Let's talk about drawing pencils first. These are the gradients for drawing pencils. Here, H stands for hardness and B for boldness or blackness. You can see different type of B, 2B. So as the B will increase, the darkness will also increase. This is HB. Now I will show you the 6B. See the difference. See the blackness. So that is the gradient. Usually HB pencils we use for drawing purpose and 6B for the shading and highlight the black areas. This is blending stumps. This is to give proper smudge after finish any drawing or sketching. You can see so this helps in giving proper finish and merging. Now we talk about sketchbook. You can see what sketchbook I have now. You can see pages and see this 160 GSM. GSM is gram per square meter, and it is good for pencil, pen, pastel, charcoal, ink and all. For drawing purpose, we should always choose the paper which is higher than 110 GSM. Sketchbook paper should be acid free, so paper will be resistant to fading. It will not get yellow over the period of time. The grip of the pencil, it should not firm, it should loose, so you can cover more area. Here are some exercises that will help you to draw. Some standing lines, horizontal lines, like this, circles, like this, some lines, like we used to make in pre-primary schools. It will help with the grip. Like this, something like this, like this, basic shading. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.